Guys, I hope you're all well. Let's talk about matters to do with our country's economy. As at now, where we are standing, we're having a very high rate of unemployment. I know government is trying to look at solutions. Private sectors are trying to look at solutions basically to fill in this gap. But what if I tell you that today, as we are speaking, we're having a project which can create employment to as many willing persons as possible. Yeah, as many willing persons as possible. And this is the reason why. The project that we're having is called mDarasa Learning Hub. The whole idea of this project is basically to share any educational content to the public. Regardless of which content you're having, you can literally monetize that content. I know with YouTube, you can say that you also earn on YouTube. YouTube, first of all, you basically earn on views or the small advertisement that you're running there, and literally you don't have control over what you're earning. What if I tell you guys that yes, you can now control what you're earning? You can now control what you're earning on your content, and I'm strictly on educational content. Like, learning is so wide. You can be a very good business person. You want to share this knowledge to young entrepreneurs who are coming up. That is a content on its own. You might be a very good salesperson. You've never had a chance to basically monetize your content, and you know very well you're having that capability of sharing this knowledge, and people can actually purchase this knowledge of yours. This is the platform for you. You might be a very good doc. You're having students, and you literally want to share your knowledge to the world. As you're sharing your knowledge, you are monetizing this content. This actually is basically for you. You control what you earn. You control what you earn. So this is to say that so long as you're having a phone with a very good camera and you're having a knowledge which you'll want to monetize, basically you can do that without any limitation. That is why I'm saying that literally those who are willing to basically create more income as much as they can, so long as you can invite kind of trainees on your account, you can earn as much as you want. So there's no limit of earning. So this platform is open to anyone. This platform is open to anyone who has educational content. And what are we literally doing? We want to improve the economy of our country in our own way. This is a product made in Africa. This is a product made in Kenya. This is a product made by mDarasa team. So I want you guys to onboard. We are on the pilot stage of this project, which I'm going to demonstrate it for you. First of all, in any business, honesty is very key. Being transparent is also very key. And this is what we've done with our platform, mDarasa Learning Hub. Into quote, mDarasa Pro. You can literally see the transparent of the transaction, because I know in any form of business, transaction is always very key. And I know you guys, you might be having a lot of questions on how this project works, because I know it's a project that is going to earn you as much as you can. Africa, we have resources, and right now is Africa Arise. We've started using the knowledge that you're having to create employment on our own. So in our little way, we've basically assisted the government to create as many, quite a huge pool of employment. Because imagine you earning on your content. As much as we know, there are those basically aspect of a tax that was introduced on content creation, but in that case it's going to be taken care of, right? So what I want you guys to do, I want you to watch this next segment to the end. I want you guys to concentrate on this next segment to the end to see how this project works. As I've said, it is on the pilot stage, and we will really appreciate your recommendation on this trial stage. So kindly let us go to the next segment, mDarasa.com, and see how this works. Thank you so much, guys. After this, I'll open any question for any one of us, and let us build our country in our own way. Thank you. Hi guys, I know this is going to blow up our mind, and basically this platform is for all of us. MLH, mDarasa Learning Hub. So ideally, the main purpose of this platform, first of all, is to create employment to anyone who will wish to share his or her educational content. So long as it's an educational content, you can literally monetize that content by sharing the content on this platform. You invite your students to come and purchase the content of the platform, and in this case, you know what, you are going to earn, or rather you're going to monetize this that content of yours. So ideally, these are simple procedures on how the platform works. So the first thing that you need to do, we're having trainees and we're having trainers. So in this case, let me start with trainers. For trainers, basically, you have to come and sign up. In this case, this is basically trainees. For trainers, if you want to lecture basically on the platform, you come and lecture on mDarasa. Lecture on mDarasa. So while you've clicked lecture on mDarasa, you just come to get started. You fill on your details here. You fill all your details. Maybe Mr. Kingsley. You literally fill all your details at this point. You enter, of course, your name, your phone number. Basically, in this case, you insert your email address. We're having, at this point, you'll be having basically the course that you want to tute. You give your personal profile, in a sense, like you describe who you are. You insert your password, then you do what? You sign up. In that case, you've literally created your lecturer account. After that case, after you've successfully created your lecturer account, you can come and do what? You can come and sign in at this point. So on signing in, I'll just do my, let me sign in so that you can see as a lecturer, sign in as a lecturer, then sign in. So on this bit, basically what you can see is now where you can add your content. Like in this case, you can come, you can add a unit based on the course that you had selected. Unit code, you give a unit section, you give your own price, the price that you want to basically set. You give the highlight of the course, you give the description of that course, you select the course image, then you do what? Then you save. So in this case, assuming maybe I want to do, say, like, maybe I want to do, say, like, we can do financial accounting, for example. Financial accounting, unit code, in this case, maybe I can have FA1, for example. Course unit, maybe course section, maybe I can have, say, foundation level. At this other point, course part, maybe I can have FL, for example. These are just basically a course that you are creating. You can set your own price. So maybe I want to say like I want to set, say, like 200 course, or maybe I want to say like I'm setting 1,000 shillings, for example. I'll give the course highlight at this point. Basically, what the course entails. Course highlight. What are you expected to have at the end of the day? The unit description. You give your unit description at that point. Unit description. Then you choose a course image. You literally, so after you choose the course image, basically you can do what? You can now save. So on this case, you'll find that you've created a new course, which is now financial accounting. So literally at this point, after you've created your new course, what you can do, you can add now the topics. You can add the topics that you want. Say maybe you want, say like the course unit is financial accounting. Maybe topic 1, for example. Topic number 1, topic description. In this case, you can upload the video of the content that you're having in terms of video. You can as well upload basically the PDF notes, or what you can literally do, you can basically type the whole description at that point, so that as at the end of the day, after you're done with that case, you save. In that case, you'll have created what? You will have created basically your course. So after that, the next bit here is, of course, as it is now, it is not published. It has to be reviewed by our team of QA, that is, of course, quality assurance, so that once it is satisfied, for example, I'm going to publish one here so that you can see. So now you'll see my course has been published. So after it has been published, now this is the best part. This is the best part. This is the best part. So you'll be having all the courses that you're having at this point. Now the best part, after it has been published, in this case, as it is now, my account, lecturer account, is 50 shillings. So what I want us to do, I want to show you guys basically how you as a lecturer, you're going to earn if a student purchases that course of yours. Currently, my wallet balance is 50 shillings. So how are we going to work it out? In this case, let us log in as now a student who wants to purchase a unit. So basically, I can just come and log in here as a student. I want just to log in as a student. And literally sign out first. Let me sign out. So I want to sign in as a student. Basically, I'm going to use my student account, ringofrederick5@gmail.com. I'm going to have my password here. So I sign in as a student. So on my student account, literally what you can do as a student is you can literally you can literally basically deposit on your wallet. So these are the transactions. The beauty part is that we are very transparent, in a sense that you're going to see all your transactions. So in this case, currently my student wallet, I only have 120 shillings. So what I can do basically, I want to purchase a course, and the course that I want to purchase is basically the course that we've created here for Mr. Aringo, Financial Accounting. So in this case, to purchase this course, in this case, you can clearly see it is telling me to buy the course unit, which I've literally added it on my cart. So this course now is costing 100 shillings. At least I'm having 120 shillings in my wallet. It seems that I'm having enough. If I didn't have enough, what you can literally do, I can basically deposit some amount in my wallet. Say for example, here I want to deposit. I can just come here and deposit, say like 100 shillings I want to deposit. This is now student. It is going to give me it's going to give us a push-up notification. So I enter my PIN. In this case, you'll find that this is going to be updated just right now. So literally it has, after that, what you do, just refresh. You see, it has updated my account. And in this case, you can clearly see that I've updated I've basically deposited my, with my account deposit. We've just done it right now. This is today, 5th. Right now, as I'm doing this video, 17/12. That is 19/12, basically 51. So I'm having enough cash now in my wallet as a student. So I can come and purchase basically this unit. I check out the unit. Hula. Once I've checked out that unit, you'll find that it will be very easy. If I come to my units now, this is the unit that we purchased, financial accounting, which is now here. All these other courses are here, the one that I've purchased. Come, you can basically launch video, or you can launch video, listen to the
Thus
video
far in
itself.
this course, you'll learn
Basically, it's just amazing. One word I can explain this is just amazing. This is the magic part. You've purchased a unit of that lecturer. So I want us to go to that lecturer account, and you'll find that with the percentage that you're having, these are just a demo, but of course percentage will be in terms of us how we are going to agree with the mDarasa learning hub. So I want to log in as a lecturer. You see my account will have been updated. So I'm logging in with the lecturer account here. So my account, initially it was 50 shillings. So let me sign out. I want to sign in as a lecturer. So lecturer, I'm having my email ID for lecturer. So after you've done that, these are what you can see. This is what I want you guys to see. So my account here as a lecturer, hula, I've been deposited by 50% of all the student paid. And this case, this is basically my account has been credited right now, in that case, with 50 shillings, so that my balance as at the end of this day is how much? 100 shillings, or rather 100 shillings. So this is the beauty part. It will also show us the transaction that has taken place. You see, my account has been credited right now as you are talking. That is, of course, 1913. My account was credited immediately. That student paid. So what you can do, I can literally withdraw. I want to withdraw, say, 50 shillings from this account, wherever you are, and it's going to come to this number of mine. So I'm just going to withdraw. Voila. You see, I've withdrawn the cash automatically. It has deducted my account, and I've basically received that amount in my M-Pesa. I've literally received that 50 shillings in my M-Pesa account. So that is the magic part with what we have created for you guys. This is an e-learning platform. Basically what we've done, we've just revolutionized the way, guys, you are doing your study, the way, guys, you are earning. So if you're a lecturer and you know very well, not even any course that you're having, and you want to monetize your content, this is educational, any educational content, regardless of what you're doing, regardless of what you're, what kind of content that basically you're sharing to maybe impact the knowledge. This platform then is for you guys. That's just a simple demo on how you can earn on mDarasa Learning Hub. We are changing literally the way guys do their studies, the way guys earn. Imagine the employment that we have created for so many people. So I want you guys to take an advantage, embrace mDarasa Learning Hub, and let us change lives. Let us change lives. Let us change. So that is partly how it works. In this case, you can literally see the level of transparency that we've just given unto you guys. So what are you waiting for? Kindly join us on this pilot stage, and remember, the percentage basically will depend on how we've engaged. And the beauty part of it is that, and that's why I'm saying, like, we're giving you guys chance to make as much as you can. The beauty part of it is that maybe, and this I know it will be limited to some people, if you are in Nairobi and you don't have resources to do your content, you can literally come to our studios. We agree on how we are going to help you do that. And as at the end of the day, we're also going to agree in terms of revenue share of the content that you're going to upload in our platform. That's how you're working it out. The question will be, what about those who are not within Nairobi? How are we going to help them? In this case, you're going to guide you on a step-by-step way using some softwares that we have, which will literally help you to come up with a very standard content which can be purchased by anyone wherever this person is in this Africa. So guys, that was part of the demonstration, but the whole idea is so wide. Slowly by slowly, I'll be engaging you guys on how you interact with mDarasa Learning Hub. To that point, guys, thank you so much, and I believe you're going to support this project of ours as we are working on creating employment to so many people. Thank you so much, guys. See you then. Bye.